put in that battery?
Yeah, it is a freaking display.
No, I don't think it's a display.
It's too light.
Well, it's a race battery. So race batteries are light. So when you first picked it up, what did you think about it?
I thought it was just a fake.
You thought it was a fake battery? All right.
Good battery.
Okay, so it says that it is a good battery. And my guys at O'Reilly, guys, when I'm trying to get stuff fixed and I want to make sure it's done right, I take it to the professionals. I come up here to O'Reilly's because I know that they know how to check it and make sure it's right. So it looks like a display battery, huh? Like a toy battery.
Real light.
Really, really light.
Real light.
Hey guys, hey, I really appreciate it. Your name is?
Isai.
Isai, and you are?
Sam.
Sam. All right, guys, here we go. Demonology, I'm here at O'Reilly's with Isai and then Sam, right? All right, we got Q, the man himself is here.
What's going on, guys?
Brother, what's up?
Good to see you.
Man, we got to do this on the quick time.
Okay.
I gotta get to the football game.
Absolutely.
So you got tools or you need my tools?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, let's see what we got.
Okay, let's check it out, brother. So guys, this is the new ArcAngel battery. And if you can see, they made it look almost just like the stock battery. That's nice, isn't it, Luis?
This is super light.
Yeah, when I went to the place, the O'Reilly's, to get it tested, the guy thought they sent me a dummy battery.
A shape, what do you call it, display.
Yeah, that's what he
display
said.
battery.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said they sent you the wrong thing. They sent you a display.
Pop that guy out. Now this weighs probably roughly 35 to 40 pounds, something like that.
Yeah, I think this one is actually 42 pounds.
42 pounds. Okay, I haven't weighed him out, but that's usually every time I pick him up, that's what it weighs. So let me grab some my 10mm wrench and we'll get right to it. So of course, when you disconnect your battery, you don't want to lose your presets. So I have a jump box I'm going to connect to your jump post, so that way you don't lose your radio settings or any of your memory for it. So before I disconnect that, I'm going to hook up the jump box to
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, let me see. So you're going to hook that jump box?
Right. So this is another portable battery, of course. And in order to save your memory settings, I got to keep that on
so
there.
this is how you jump the car from the front. I didn't know.
These are the jump posts, ground posts down here. And then we have
So no battery up in the front. You don't have to worry about blowing yourself up, huh?
That's right, that's right. So when you never jump started, this is where you go under the hood. So you don't have to pull everything out of your trunk to get to it.
Got it.
Makes it easier for you.
Steve, you gotta pick up this battery, Steve. So take that thing off of there and pick this battery up, Steve.
Oh, that's unreal.
I want this for my battery.
Yeah, you have a deep cycle battery.
But is this a lithium?
Yeah,
So they make those for that, but they're like,
absolutely.
Yeah.
what? It's like a whole person getting off the back of your boat. Like, I mean, if you figure you got 2 of those.
There you go, Steve.
They're
Yeah.
90 pounds apiece. So, you figure that's
me right there. That's me
Yeah.
off the back of your boat.
If your boat would go a little faster if you had like an extra person out of the boat. Oh, yeah, it would. That is so awesome.
Okay, so what do you have to make an adjustment to, Luis?
So this tie down, this battery bracket, it just needs a little bit more room. We still want to keep the clamping ability for your factory. We still want to hold it in place, but we just need maybe a 1/4 of an inch more room to make that fit properly. So the lead acid battery has this guy. This is a vent to the outside. But because the lithium that this is made, it doesn't produce any of those gases, so you won't need that. This is the vent for the lead acid. For its charging cycles, it produces some gases that you don't want inside your vehicle, so it's a vent going towards the outside.
So eliminated some poison gases, huh?
Absolutely.
That was the soul trying to escape out of there. Yeah, I don't know where the black one is. So
They normally don't get it because
okay.
we have an intelligent battery sensor, and that just checks and keeps track of your battery's charging cycle. So make sure it's charging properly and discharging properly between
cycles.
test runs. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, brother. I'm here at Royal Purple, no longer Royal Purple. What's the name of the track called?
Houston Raceway Park.
We're at Houston Raceway Park, and I'm here with who?
Austin Hayward.
Austin Hayward. What's your position here, Austin?
I'm the competition director.
So Austin is the competition director. So Austin, tell us what we got going on today and how do we make the track a safe, fun event?
Well, today we got a bunch of exotics out here, a couple of race cars, street race cars. Got both lanes prepped to the max. You got negative DA, about 1,200 feet below sea level right now.
Wow.
It's gonna fly today.
Okay.
So I had guys begging me to come out this weekend.
Well, hey, what I'm begging Austin to do is something that we do at Extreme and at North Star is we just place one cone and move the car 6 inches over just to keep one lane prep, because street tires, we know that they will eat up the prep pretty quick, correct?
And we're pretty good about maintaining the track all day.
Yeah, and it makes an easier job for these guys, but they're not constantly having to come back and re-prep the track and stuff like that. Hey, nice to meet you, Austin. We're gonna have a great time out here. Thank you, brother. Hey, bring your lady into the picture.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, we don't want our ugly butts in the picture. Yeah, come over and step by your man. Oh, you just standing there. Yeah, me and him are ugly. Nobody want to see our asses.
Now it makes it pretty.
Let me know when y'all ready.
I'm ready.
All right.
Leave it to.
I got several.
Yeah, I think
Thank you, brother.
Hopefully. You know, I have to check. I don't.
What else we got here? We got a Porsche 911. Who's Porsche 911? You know, I got a buddy back home. His name is Carlos Allen, and he races the Porsche 911. Do you know Carlos Allen?
I do not know Carlos Allen.
But
You should know Carlos Allen.
yeah, you should know Carlos Allen. Carlos Allen is a man when it comes to Porsche. Carlos is the guy that always says the best mod for your car is between the seat and the steering wheel.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is Carlos. So tell us about your Audi. I mean your Porsche. Yeah, it's the same family. Okay, tell us about
11 turbo, pretty much stock. All we did was all the yellow trim.
Dressing for the winter.
So have you tuned it or anything?
Nothing.
Nothing, just all stock.
All stock. Boring and stock, but
Hey man, sometimes that's all you need. My car is all stock.
Exactly.
So there you go. How my powertrain is.
First time.
Wow, nice. Hold on, let me see your reaction. Is this, okay, this is your number 22, right?
Yeah.
You better be 22 because number 19 was turbo reaction. Yes, you did a good reaction time.
Yeah,
Good
that's you. That's all your videos, man.
Hey, man.
Getting that light, man.
Hey, man, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to have to get you with a third degree. You know, he's a Mustang guy.
Yeah?
Yeah, and he's here. He runs a 4-second Mustang in the 8th mile.
Wow.
Yeah, so he's going to give you some Mustang pointers.
Yeah. Right now I got the Mickey Thompson street comps.
Yeah.
It's not the drag AT or nothing, but it's NA.
Yeah.
12.7.
Yeah, the street comps are good, you know, and they hold up a lot better than the street SS. But for racing, I really like the street SS.
Yeah, for sure. That's what I'm gonna. But I wasn't even planning on running.
Yeah.
Anytime soon, right?
Well, but it's good weather though, so.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey, I'm a watch guy. So what watch do you have on?
This ain't nothing, man. It's like 30 bucks.
Well, but it's still a watch, right? So what's the timepiece?
So it's called a SKMEI.
Okay.
It's just from Amazon. It looked like a small watch, but I mean, they tell the time. It look cool.
Well, that's what you need, brother.
Yeah.
You need some, and the numbers look big. Even I can read that.
Oh yeah. So,
all right, brother. Hey, what's your name again?
Ted.
Ted. All right, Ted. Hey, nice to see you.
Hey, nice to see you.
Take care, brother.
Man.
Who is
water burnout to be in the left lane only. Water burnouts left lane only.
675. Wow. You know what? Let me tell you. Out of all the foreign cars, I have to say.
And the track is ready to go, guys.
McLaren is the prettiest car.
It's gorgeous.
I really love the McLaren.
It's 458 is a pretty car too.
Yeah, but it's not as pretty as this because the doors come up on this. The doors don't come up on this, right?
I agree.
So between the bridge and the tower,
Hey, can you
you'll
open
find
the
your
door? I
release,
just want to see you open
print,
the door.
sign, and then a car number will go on.
I'm not
the
gonna
car.
try to get in it. I'm too
Come
fast.
on to the tower, let the tower get your number off your car, and then water burnouts left lane only.
Yeah, man, that's too tight, man. That's like that's like a married man putting on a condom. I can't do it, brother. You know? Yeah, no, man, I can't. I'm not gonna be able to do it, brother. But man, look at it, man. Look how beautiful it is.
It is beautiful.
So this is not the manual seats. I know Brooks went to these seats because they're carbon fiber and they're lightweight. I think he saved them 15 pounds.
Manual.
Oh, those are manual.
These are from the factory.
Okay. Well, I know Brooks went to a different seat that was carbon fiber, but it was lightweight and it was not manual.
Because the LTs come with the carbon seats.
Okay.
Yeah, so his is not LT. They don't have the 720 LT yet.
Okay.
But we're just hoping this thing can hook. Once it gets moving, it gets moving.
Oh man, it's a beast. Once you get rolling.
The traction. The thing is, McLaren didn't really figure out launch control until the 720.
Nice. Well, hey, let's get on the track, man. I wanna go out and run and have some fun.
How's it going back there?
Kara, tell us about this Bentley.
So it has, I think it's like 600 horsepower. We ran 11.8 today, I think.
Yeah. Now, what do you love about it, Kara?
It's just so comfortable. I feel so safe in it.
Yeah, it is.
And it's fast.
Guys, it is fast. It is a
really
beast.
fast,
I mean,
yeah.
Kara, do you race all the time?
No.
And she was just out here just lapping it, hot lapping it. What was the best time you went in it so far today?
11.8.
11.8, guys. And this thing is heavy. It is a beast.
It's a beast,
But
yeah.
oh way. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Look at the stitching and the leather. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just, it's luxury. Oh my goodness, look at the door, the luxury. The stitching in the door. Come on, it looks like a Louis Vuitton purse, right? Wow.
Hey, we love those too.
Wow, it's a beautiful, beautiful car. Can you mind popping the hood? The neat thing about Bentleys and stuff like this, you see nothing. They have everything disguised and hid. Right, Dad?
That's right.
Man, this is an amazing car. I was so surprised how fast it was.
It's fast.
This car shocked me more than any of the other cars.
Well, this
Yes.
has got a top end of 187. So
187. You know, I didn't. You know, when they made the Trackhawk, I thought a Trackhawk was just the end all of end all, but no.
Yeah.
You know, come on, Bentley has done it again.
Dude. Please. Okay, enough!
Punched me in the boob. Because next time, I'll be deadly serious next time.
What?
Never mind.
Man, someone help me.
All right, check it out, guys. I'm here with
Kara.
and
Marquise.
wow, you guys are doing great. What do you think about the Bentley so far?
Oh, we hit 11.9.
Man, it is awesome. I didn't realize how fast it was. You guys are flying in this thing. Hey, y'all go get it. Hey, remember, you want to leave on the third light. Keep your foot on the brake until you get the RPM up as high as you can without the car pushing forward.
Okay.
Then when you see the third yellow, go.
All right, thank you.
Go get them, guys. It's amazing.
1170 from a stock
Yeah.
sled. Probably weighs 55.
On stock tires? Oh gosh, it's a beast. The women are driving, well, you know, two of them women probably weigh one of us. Right?
You put word to the wise. If you're on the street and you pull up in a fast car and you pull it next to that thing, be careful.
Yeah, no, that thing's gonna walk you.
Because on the street,
Yeah.
that's going to hurt.
Yeah, that Bentley is gonna walk you.
Torque for days.
I wonder how it would do against Trackhawk.
All right, guys, we're at Audi versus the World. Look like we're getting a little rain, so it looks like I may not get to race anymore, but I'm gonna walk you through what's on the track.
All right, guys, check it out. I got an opportunity to race against some really, really nice vehicles this time. The one that impressed me the most out of all the vehicles out there was the Bentley Bentayga. I hope I'm saying that name right. I'm pretty sure I'm screwing it up. But, you know, that Bentley was a beast. It was a beautiful vehicle. My wife fell in love with it by looking at it. All the little details on the vehicle were just, you know, second to none. So shout out to that Bentley and the young ladies that was driving it. They really had a good time with it. You could tell how stable a vehicle was. The women had never drag raced it before from what they told me, but they did a hell of a job running that car down the track. The other vehicle that I ran was a McLaren 675. Guys, I just wanted to show with this McLaren 675, I knew the Demon would be able to beat it, but I kind of wanted to give you an example of what my buddy Drag Times does and some things I've seen other people do. They line the Demon up against a vehicle that they know that they're capable of beating, but they have a driver that doesn't drive the vehicle well, and you know, they tend to thrash the vehicle. I mean, I knew I was going to win the race. The gentleman knew I was going to win the race. We're on a drag strip. He didn't have drag tires. I had drag tires on a drag strip. The Demon is built for the drag strip. The McLaren was definitely outside of its element, but he was still kind enough to let me run the vehicle to kind of show the experience of a drag car purpose built racing a track car purpose built on a drag strip with a prep surface with a drag car with drag tires. So a lot of times when you see races like this, guys, you know, it just is what it is. It's kind of a setup game. And so I see a lot of YouTubers doing that. So that's why I'm explaining that to you guys. It's not like I had a great victory. It was a setup game. I knew I was going to beat the car. The owner of the car that I was driving knew I was going to beat the car. Come on, let's face it. I'm driving a Dodge Demon, which is the fastest production car on a drag strip in the quarter mile, period. You know what I'm doing. Snatching souls. Peace. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.